how to sign up for HelloFresh on mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for HelloFresh using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside, you can just tap on the sign up button at the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply skip it, and after that, you'll be prompted to the meal plans. So there you can simply choose your meal preferences, number of people and meals per week, and after that you simply have to enter your email address and create a password, a sign up with Google or Apple ID. And there you just have to fill in your name, address and phone number, and after that you just have to enter your payment method and review your first order. And that's it. Now you are ready to enjoy fresh HelloFresh meals delivered to your door. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.